A woman has been prosecuted and ordered to pay £1,078.83 under a 6-month conditional discharge for keying and scratching a Tesla worth around £50,000. So welcome back, I'm the Black Belt Barrister, helping you to understand law and giving you some examples of how people can get prosecuted for things they think they might get away with. So no one likes having their car keyed, and frankly I can't really understand the mindset of someone that would deliberately key someone else's car just out of pure spite and nastiness, but this is what happened. Only in this case the Tesla has a sentry system which has cameras front, rear and all around the sides, which captured in great detail exactly what happened and who it was. It captured this lady, Anna Valenti, coming back from the store with things in her arms from the front camera. Then the side cameras caught her putting the stuff into her car, but as she claims that the Tesla was parked too close to her, although as you can see from this photograph, she was actually parked on or slightly over the line. So in my view, she was parked badly, but by the by. Either way, she put the stuff in her car, then she tried to conceal the fact that she was scratching the Tesla. Miss Valenti was identified from the camera footage, brought to court and prosecuted. She was prosecuted for criminal damage and she pleaded guilty, and she was given a conditional discharge. This means that she'll be released from court without any further action so long as she does not commit any further offences within that period of time, but she will still get a criminal record. And if she commits any further offences within that time, she'll be sentenced for the first offence and the new one. But she also has to pay the £1,078 and comply with any other orders of the court. And such a discharge can be combined with any other kind of disqualification, payment, compensation and court costs and things like that. In 2019, the Sentencing Council says that 42,000 offenders were given a discharge, representing just 4% of offenders who were sentenced. Discharges can either be absolute or conditional, as in this case, and they're only given for the less serious offences such as minor thefts and minor criminal damage. Although in my view, I think she was very lucky to get a conditional discharge in this case, probably because she pleaded guilty to it. Had she pleaded not guilty and there been a trial, I think it would have been a different outcome. The owner of the car said the scratch was only spotted when they arrived home and took the hard drive out and then looked for the footage. The police said they were able to track her down because of the onboard cameras and captured her license plate. The owner said he felt like a bit of a modern-day Sherlock Holmes when he found the incriminating footage. He was stunned and amazed when he saw it. And Miss Valenti seemed very confident in the way that she did the scratch. Now, does this suggest that she's done this before and frequently and got away with it, but not this time? As the saying goes, defendants have to be lucky all the time, prosecutors only have to be lucky once. The police had reportedly said that usually when people scratch cars, it's almost impossible to get anything done, usually because the CCTV in shopping centres are too far away and not of good quality, and as in my experience, very difficult to get hold of because the shop just doesn't respond quickly enough, and then when they do, they say the footage isn't there, even though I believed it was there, but that's another story. But in this case, obviously the CCTV was captured by the vehicle in great quality. She was identified, brought to court and prosecuted. So this answered the question that lots of people have posed before: can someone be convicted solely on CCTV evidence? Well, of course they can, because if it captures the entire crime in great detail and there's no ambiguity as to who the person was, then they can be brought to court and prosecuted. So I hope you found this story interesting. Please drop it a like and Merry Christmas to you all, and thanks for watching.